Okay, so now what do we do with the nearness of you once we've established that little melody line? The chord that comes next is a C major 7. And from this point on, with this instrumental, because it's a hybrid, I am just sticking to the notes in the chords, whatever the chords are. I'm going to finger pick them in different ways. You can finger pick one note in the chord. All the notes are good. So this is what I'm doing with that C major 7. I am doing a reversed arpeggio. Usually when we finger pick, we're going from our nose to the floor. I'm going to go from the floor to my nose because it sounds so pretty. So let me put it together. Isn't that pretty? So 1, 2, 3. Now, I did something a little bit different. I wanted to get that chord in, that C major 7 chord in. You can block chord it. We've talked about this a lot in this class. Block chord is where I am plucking all 4 strings at the same time. And you can also arpeggiate that block chord. Carolyn had a name for it. I think it was a rolling arpeggio, rolling block chord. Yeah, Carolyn, when you get a chance, tell us what you call it in Vermont. So what I'm doing here, I'm just going to move in like this. This is the block chord. This is the arpeggio.
Forward roll.
A forward roll. Mm-hmm. It sounds like gymnastics. finger gymnastics. The thing to remember is it's all happening on one beat. Here's the block chord. Here's the arpeggio. The motion is. It might take some woodshedding to get this down. There's the rolling, like that. And here's the block chord. Because, when we're doing a solo and we're by ourselves, let's assume we're just by ourselves. We want to get as much harmony as possible, as much chords as possible. So, one more time. 1, 2, 3.